Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best magnetic lint bin is probably one of the most underrated accessories for any sewing enthusiast or anyone who deals with fabric scraps. Keeping your workspace tidy is crucial for productivity and a clear mind, and this little gadget does the trick. We're diving deep into the world of magnetic lint bins with lids, exploring their features, benefits, and how they can revolutionize your crafting or laundry experience. Number 5. SUBEKYU Magnetic Lint Bin for Laundry Room. Tired of a cluttered laundry room? This magnetic lint bin is designed to save you valuable floor space. The strong magnet allows it to attach directly to your dryer. Built to last, it's made of durable iron with a waterproof coating. This ensures it can withstand the humid environment of your laundry room, providing long-term use. This bin isn't just for lint. You can also store dryer sheets, dryer balls, or even detergent pods. It helps keep your laundry essentials organized and within reach. A handy lint brush is included to help you quickly and easily remove lint from your dryer. This helps to maintain the efficiency of your dryer. You have options for installation. You can use the magnetic feature to attach it to your dryer, or use adhesive hooks to hang it on the wall. What we like? This magnetic lint bin is a true space saver, perfect for smaller laundry rooms. Its durable metal construction ensures it will last, and the included lint brush makes cleaning a breeze. If you have limited space and want a convenient, all-in-one solution, this is the one for you. What people say? It has a heavy magnetic on it, keeping it very sturdy so you don't have to worry about it falling off or walking down the machine during a spin cycle. I absolutely love this for the lint and dryer sheets. Easy to empty and wipe out. Fits perfectly on my washer with the magnetic backing. The brush that comes with it is great for fully cleaning out the lint tray in the dryer. Number 4. ELITAPRO Farmhouse Magnetic Lint Bin. Tired of a cluttered laundry room? This magnetic lint bin offers a stylish farmhouse design. It keeps everything organized and saves space. This bin isn't just for lint. You can store laundry pods, detergent, dryer sheets, and more. It's a versatile solution for all your laundry needs. Made from high-quality tin metal, this bin is built to last. It features an easy flip lid and is perfectly sized for everyday use. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This laundry lint bin is perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or housewarmings. Its elegant style and practicality make it a great choice. ELITAPRO ensures exceptional quality for long-lasting satisfaction. This product provides ease and convenience for your daily tasks, making laundry day a little easier. What we like? This lint holder boasts a charming farmhouse style, instantly elevating your laundry room decor. It's also incredibly versatile, perfect for storing various laundry essentials. If you like a touch of elegance and organization, this bin is the perfect choice for you. What people say? Looks super cute and does what it should. The magnet holds up well even when my washer might go off balance. Been using it a few months and holds a decent amount of lint. Well-made metal tin. Exactly what I was expecting. Sturdy magnet. Works as expected. Number 3. SUBEKYU Magnetic Lint Bin for Laundry Room. Tired of a cluttered laundry room? This magnetic lint bin is designed to save you valuable floor space. The strong magnet allows it to attach directly to your dryer. This bin is perfect for collecting dryer lint, hair, and other laundry debris. It helps keep your laundry area clean and organized. Made from durable iron with a waterproof coating, this lint bin is built to last. It's designed for long-term use in the humid environment of a laundry room. A handy lint brush is included to help you quickly and easily remove lint. This makes cleaning your dryer a breeze. You have 2 convenient installation options. You can use the magnetic feature to attach it to your dryer, or use adhesive hooks to mount it on the wall. What we like? This magnetic lint bin is a true space saver, perfect for smaller laundry rooms. Its durable metal construction ensures it will last, and the included lint brush makes cleaning a breeze. If you have limited space and want a convenient, all-in-one solution, this is the one for you. What people say? It's perfect for collecting lint without the need for a trash can in the laundry room. Using the magnet on the side of my dryer. Super strong magnet, well built, and great rear sticky attachment. I love that this is magnetic and small enough to place on the front of the dryer without interfering with the laundry room doors, if you have a closet laundry area. Number 2. Picowe Magnetic Laundry Storage Lint Bin. This lint bin is made of high-quality plastic, ensuring it's built to last. It's designed to withstand the demands of your laundry routine, providing a reliable storage solution. With dimensions of 9.3 by 2.9 by 9.3 inches, this bin offers ample space. It's perfect for collecting lint, pet hair, and other laundry debris. The bin features a magnetic strip size of 6.2 by 5.5 inches, allowing it to securely attach to your washer or dryer. The strong magnets ensure it stays in place. This container is designed to save space in your laundry room. You can easily hang it on your dryer or washer, keeping your space tidy. You have 2 installation choices. You can use the magnetic strip to attach it directly, or hang it on the wall using a tack or nail. Note, tack or nail not included. You will receive 1 Picowe lint bin. It's a simple and effective solution for managing laundry waste. What we like? This lint bin offers a generous size, perfect for handling large laundry loads. It's designed to save space and is easy to install with its magnetic strip. If you are looking for a large capacity and easy installation, this is a great option. What people say? They are just the right size and they stick very well to the washing machine. We now use the magnet on this to hang it on the side of the dryer and it works great. Magnet works great and it's a perfect size. Number 1. Magnetic Lint Bin with Dryer Lint Brush. This metal trash can is designed to make your laundry room more organized and stylish. It has a strong magnetic back, allowing it to attach to any metal surface. It also comes with a lint brush and adhesive hooks. This eco-friendly lint bin is a great alternative to a regular trash can. You can attach it to your dryer or washing machine, or mount it on the wall. It's also perfect for placing on a countertop. With its minimalist and rustic design, this lint garbage can has many uses. You can store dryer lint, dryer sheets, detergent pods, dryer balls, and other laundry accessories in it. This lint holder is spacious enough to keep your dryer lint or trash. It will remind you to clean your dryer lint trap regularly, preventing buildup and making your laundry room more enjoyable. Don't throw away your lint. You can reuse it for various projects, such as dry compost fiber, yarn, paper mache, weed treatment, and campfire starters. The possibilities are endless. What we like? This magnetic lint bin comes with a handy dryer lint brush, making cleaning easy. Its farmhouse design adds a touch of style to your laundry room, and it offers versatile storage options. If you want a stylish and functional laundry room, you should consider this. What people say? The magnet holds securely to the dryer door. It's stylish and holds a lot of lint. Comes with other options to secure it to the wall and a handy little brush to get stuck dryer lint out of the machine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.